I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bone broth hot chocolate. This unique beverage combines the rich flavor of cocoa with the nutritional benefits of bone broth, offering a comforting and healthy treat. You'll learn a simple method to prepare this drink, perfect for a cozy evening. It's an excellent way to incorporate more collagen and amino acids into your diet, supporting gut health and overall wellness. Get ready to transform your hot chocolate experience. To begin, you'll need just a few simple ingredients. Start with 1 cup of high-quality bone broth, which can be chicken or beef. Next, measure out 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder for that rich chocolate taste. For sweetness, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of your favorite sweetener, such as maple syrup or honey. Finally, a small pinch of sea salt is crucial. It truly elevates the chocolate flavor and balances the drink. Making this delightful drink is incredibly straightforward. First, combine your 1 cup of bone broth, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of sweetener in a small saucepan. Don't forget that tiny pinch of sea salt. It really brings out the chocolate flavor. Whisk all the ingredients together continuously over medium heat until the mixture is warm and thoroughly combined. Avoid boiling to preserve the broth's delicate nutrients. Pour into your favorite mug and enjoy this nourishing beverage. To truly personalize your bone broth hot chocolate, feel free to adjust the amount of sweetener and cocoa powder to match your taste preferences. For an extra layer of flavor, consider adding a dash of cinnamon, a splash of vanilla extract, or even a tiny bit of cayenne pepper for a subtle kick. Remember to check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals. Savor every sip of this unique, health-boosting, and incredibly comforting drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.